after winning against Accra House of Oak at the Kumasi Baba Yara Sports Stadium here in Accra. They've won against Dreams FC 2-1. Philanan is here, and also Krabia is here. We'll be speaking to some of the fans in the stands. My colleague Maestro is in the stand, and he's also ready. But Phil, it's all over. Dreams FC 1, Kotoko 2.
It's been a game of two halves. We realized that in the first half, Kotoko dominated. I don't know whether after coming back for the second half, they were instructed to play in a certain way. But I believe that in the second half, Dreams FC lifted up their game and pressed and got one goal back. They pressed, they did well, but they couldn't get an equalizer. In whole, I would say that Kotoko have shown their supremacy in this game. They played well, they've maintained their lead, and even when Dreams FC got one goal back, they made sure that they defended well right till the very end.
All right, so that's Philanan, but we have the head coach right here. We have the head coach for Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Dr. Prosper Nate Ogun is right here with me. Congratulations, Doctor.
Thank you.
Can we sing the song from victory unto victory? Beating Accra House of Oak now, you've come and you've beaten Dreams FC.
Yes, I think it's good. As I told you out of the game that we won two big games, so confidence in camp was very high. We had a lot of determination. We had a lot of self-belief in camp that beating these two great giant clubs was enough motivation for us to come and play against a very good side like Dreams FC. So even though we knew that we were coming to face a very stiff opposition, we were coming from the backdrop that we had beaten these two great giants and we should be able to deliver here. And that is exactly what they did.
Doctor, you dominated the first half. Your guys played so well in the first half, but in the second half it was difficult. What accounted for that?
I think they became lost our structure. Substitutions Zito also did that track more speed in the middle of the park, and their number 28, the one who was always dragging, creating that space for there was another player with a chest for him to use speed. So I think that to structure a little bit, but then one substitutes we also had a little bit the opportunity to contain them.
No break for the Ghana Premier League this Xmas festival. You playing home against Gold Stars. Your take on that game?
I think it's a big game. Gold Stars is a very big team. They have great players and they have one of the respected coaches in the person of Frimpong Manson, which I look up to so much. He respects me so much and I also respect him so much. So I think that it's going to be a very tactical game with a lot of aggression. The aggression component is going to be very high because everybody would want to win the game. So it's going to be a very aggressive game on Friday. But then I think we are ready. We only have to structure our training program very well so that we get a job done.
The Kotoko fans, are they going to see your style of celebrating?
No, please. It's because I played against my senior, my father. He advises me a lot. And I think that,
congratulations, Dr. Prosper Nate Ogun. Wishing you all the best.
Thank you. They came in their numbers. Even though we're playing away, I can tell, I stand to be corrected, that we had more supporters here than Dreams FC. We thank them. They should keep coming and supporting us, and we're also ready to fight for the flag of Kumasi Asante.
Thank you very much. All right, so that's the head coach for Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Dr. Prosper Nate Ogun. I have the head coach for Dreams FC, Coach Karim Zito. Difficult game, Coach.
Yeah, difficult.
Would you say your guys respected Kotoko too much?
I think the first half
yes.
is exactly what happened. And you know, when the ball is very hot, you have nothing to say to them. When even we shouted, we don't hear. And you know, I said they gave respect to Kotoko. It was when they came in the second half from Kasano. Look at what happened. Even with that, look at the creativity. Look at the chances we had. But you in the 6 yards, 6 balls passing. I just can't believe it. But, you know, this is how it is. But I'm very happy they came in the second half, and we should have, at least we should have draw, but we shouldn't have lost this game.
Okay, so next game, quick one. Next game, you traveling to
Seriously, we have to,
against Chelsea.
There's nothing we can do about it. And Chelsea happened to be our big club, the Warriors, ever since we started playing against them. Though sometimes there's a time we also beat them over there, but it's not easy. It's not easy. But football as it is, we are going there. We are going there with the mentality that we are going to win.
No break for the players. You think that's good for?
Well,
for them?
I think I thought we win today or get a good. Then I try to sympathize with them to go for at least a day or two. But yet, okay, I'll think about it.
All right, Karim Zito, thanks so much, and wishing you all the best in your subsequent games. All right, so that's the head coach for Dreams FC, Coach Karim Zito, and my colleague Maestro is in the stands with the fans. Maestro, if you can hear me, over to you.
All right, Anuti, Olonga say, Otiminka, wait.